Vidura College, Colombo, First Term Test 2020, Handwork, Playgroup. Dear parents, please guide your child to complete the test paper under the given instructions. Let your child start the paper at a convenient time for him or her. Your child's teacher will read the instructions for your child to do the handwork. Let your child listen to the teacher carefully and do the handwork. Let the child use only varnish papers to complete the handwork. Children, we are going to start the handwork test now. You have to sit properly and listen carefully to what I say. And then you can start doing your handwork test. I know you all are very clever in doing handwork activities. You have to tear varnish papers of given colors into small pieces and paste them on the butterfly's wings. After that, color its body, face and the antennae. Children, these are the 4 colors of varnish we need. Pink, green, yellow and blue. Now you have to tear all 4 colors of varnish paper into small strips like this. And then you have to tear the strips into small pieces. You have to tear the strips into small pieces. Like this. Hold it with one hand and tear it with the other hand. It's very easy, right? You have to do it on your own. Okay, children? Can you see how I have done it? I have separated the 4 colors into 4 bowls like this. Now take the red color pencil and color the antennae and the body of the butterfly nicely. Okay, children. Can you see? Now take some glue and apply it on the area that you are going to paste the pieces of varnish paper. First we are going to paste the pink pieces of varnish paper. When you are pasting, you have to paste without leaving any white spaces. Can you all see how I am doing it? And also children, you have to paste inside the picture. Now I have completed 2 parts of the wings. Now I am going to paste the green pieces of varnish. Like I said before, you have to paste only inside the picture. You can take your time and do it slowly, children, okay? Now I'm going to paste the yellow pieces of varnish papers. Here see, I have completed pasting the butterfly. I know my clever children can do this handwork nicely. Dear children, hope you all have done the handwork nicely. Now, please hand over the paper to your parent. Teacher will mark the paper and send you back with beautiful reward stickers. Thank you and stay safe.